Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make my own Easter bun. To start off my baking process, here I'm adding 3.5 cups of counter flour to the bowl. I'm sieving the flour to make it a bit more lighter and easy to mix when forming the batter. So now that I've finished sieved my flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, which will help the bun to rise. Half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and 1/3 salt, which contribute to flavor. Now combine everything together guys and set aside for the mixture. In my pot I have 2 tablespoons of butter. You want to melt it on low flames, then add 1 bottle of dragon stout, 2 cups of sugar, one cup of raisin, half cup of mixed peel, add 1 teaspoon of rose water and almond, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, add 1 teaspoon of almond essence, add 2 teaspoons of blackstrap molasses, add 2 teaspoons of browning. Now this is guava jelly jam. Add 2 teaspoons of the jam to the mixture. Ensure you allow this mixture to cool before adding it to the bowl. Then you want to add 1 egg and whipped together with the mixture. Here I'm adding the flour that I set aside in small portions at a time to the mixture. We're almost there. Mix well, guys, mix well. So last but not least, I add 1 cup of wine to the mixture. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 1 hour. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave your comments and like this video if you enjoy watching it. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell to keep up to date with us. Thank you so much again for watching, guys. Bye.